In this video, we'll compare two popular identity and access management solutions, Okta and Keycloak. Both platforms offer robust features to manage, secure, and control user identities and access. But which one is right for your organization? We'll dive deep into their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users to help you make an informed choice. Okta offers features like single sign-on, adaptive multi-factor authentication, lifecycle management, and API access management. On the other hand, Keycloak provides features such as single sign-on, identity brokering, user federation, and client adapters. While both platforms offer similar functionalities, Okta's adaptive multi-factor authentication and API access management stand out for their added security and flexibility. Okta follows a subscription-based pricing model with different plans for different needs, making it a cost-effective solution for large organizations. Keycloak, being an open-source platform, is free of cost, which can be a huge advantage for small to medium-sized businesses or startups operating on a tight budget. Okta provides a clean, intuitive, user-friendly interface, making it easy for non-technical users to navigate and manage. Keycloak, while powerful, can be complex and might require a steeper learning curve, particularly for those without a strong technical background. Okta supports integrations with a wide array of applications, platforms, and systems, thus offering better flexibility. Keycloak also integrates with many systems, but its open-source nature means it might require more manual configuration to establish these integrations. Both Okta and Keycloak perform well in terms of reliability and speed. In terms of security, Okta's robust security measures, including threat insights and adaptive MFA, provide a slight edge over Keycloak. Okta offers 24/7 support and has a reputation for quick, helpful responses. Keycloak's support mainly comes from its community, which can sometimes result in slower response times. Okta's cloud-based structure ensures scalability, whereas with Keycloak, scalability depends on the user's setup. While both platforms have their strengths, Okta emerges as the winner due to its robust features, broad integrations, excellent support, and scalability. Its user-friendly interface is another significant advantage. However, if you're a small business or a startup with limited budget, Keycloak's open-source nature can be a compelling advantage. Thank you for watching this comparison of Okta and Keycloak. We hope it has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. Your support helps us continue creating content like this.